cold.
What?
Farted.
I farted?
Yeah, you did.
Does it stink?
It will be.
What is that? Oh, Pepsi bottle at my foot. I was like, what the hell is on my foot? Oh, Resident Evil 4 guide. Even though never played the game, I like reading a guide.
They put a cuff on it with chains like this.
They did? It's a good book.
Huh?
What? What are you talking about?
It's a shed.
Oh my
Is that what I said your name?
They had me cuff right there, and they had one on my leg. And they're all pulling me.
What are you talking about?
At the fucking ward. That's what they did to me. The first one I went to, they had
I'm
chains.
not talking about tubes.
No, right here they did this and tied me up like that with a cuff around my arm. And then they did it on one of my legs.
Sup, bro? How are you doing today, nigga? What's good?
They do that because, sorry. I guess the kids will feel kick or something.
Mine was different. I almost killed a kid in there.
Yeah.
No, that was the other one.
Oh.
The other one is where I punched this guy in the face because he told me to shut up.
And you're like, yeah? Oh, yeah?
I'm trying to hand that to you. You aren't listening.
I was listening to
Two.
that.
What is that red one?
Your nightmare.
Huh?
The fuck stink? I have no idea.
The fuck, Renee? Oh!
This year, there are a lot of amazing contenders.
Fuck
Maybe the
kids.
winner will be the comedy.
I'm high. I'm a little crazy, okay? I'm a
I'm
little
crazy.
funny.
Do it again.
What's up?
Are you snoring, wife?
I'm the snoring wife.
And I'm just here to be here.
Oh, I sneezed up in the air. Oh, I just spit straight up in the air and it landed on my face. Oh. So fucking bad. Oh, fucking bad. I probably look like one of those, what do they call them, sperm whales that shoot up in the sky.
Yeah.
Like they have a SeaWorld.
Honey,
What? Ow.
whales.
A sperm whale's the name of a whale.
No shit.
All day. What happens if I go down to the corner and there's a lady there? Can I say, hey, there's a lady at the corner? What if that happens? Remember I took a penny and I broke the roof at the store? Or the hallway, whatever you want to call it, sidewalk. Oh, body hot. Fuck. Anyway, what the fuck's up? Oh yeah, you like my shirt? It's a egg fucking a chicken, and it says who came first. Get it? For the question of the chicken and the egg, who came first? But my shirt actually has an egg fucking a chicken in the ass. I think it's funny. I love wearing fucking shirts that just drive people nuts. I'm gonna burp. Well, it didn't come out. Oh ho! For 20 all day, California, SoCal. Here's my baby bong. This little ass thing. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's... I call this one Mad Professor. Oh. Get up there, buddy. Alright. Anyway. I'm so full. Oh yeah. Be back. Bye.